Welcome to Doodlebuggers. My name is Ariel and I'm the lead outdoor kitchen designer. NatureCast is an outdoor custom cabinetry. It's all weatherproof and it looks just like real wood with different kinds of stains, colors, and finishes to it. And it looks just like indoor cabinetry, but it weathers the outdoors. We also specialize in scratch build kitchens. Essentially, we make them out of welded aluminum frames. We typically cover them with some sort of non-combustible material. So when you're ready to start the process, come on down to one of our showrooms. We have a location in Pensacola as well as in Destin, and we'll start consulting you on the process of making your outdoor dream kitchen and showing you what we can do.